So you decided to sell your house. Should you do a home inspection prior to listing it on the market? I know there's so many things to think about when you're selling your house. It is hard to decipher whether to do this thing or not. So let's get over it. Hi, my name is Lei Villar-Cisneros, founder of Homes by Lei and broker with Right at Home Realty. And I've been helping sellers from Toronto, York, and Durham prepare their home for sale for the last 8 years. Now that you've spent so much time preparing your house for sale, why would you worry about home inspection? The home inspection is as important as the contract on your home because every buyer would have wanted to find out what's going on in your house. And even lenders would have preference that your house has been inspected. By doing so, you will put the home buyer's mind at ease and lessen the buyer's remorse. Knowing the repairs ahead of time will help you be able to fix whatever these problems are prior to listing it in the market, and that will make your house more attractive to the prospective buyers. Home inspection is designed to evaluate the general condition of your home and its mechanical system. So since home inspection can make or break your deal, spending time to fix these issues before your home goes under contract can save you time and money in the end. Also, knowing what repairs has to be done and the cost associated with it will give you a better understanding on what your true proceeds will be. Now, let's look at the major issues that may come up at home inspection. Number 1, electrical issues. So make sure that all the switches, GFCI, and outlets are all in good working condition, and if not, replace them and fix them immediately. Also, replace all the burnt light bulbs before the inspection so that you won't get an impression that light is inoperable. So let's say, for example, in my house I have 5 bulbs that are attached on my washroom, but I will normally just put 1 or 2 bulbs in it, or I will loosen the other ones so I would save electricity. But when you're selling, you can't do that. You have to make sure all of the light bulbs are there and they are all working. You also don't want to get the impression that you have an electrical issue. Number 2, your plumbing system. Make sure that if there are any leakage somewhere, make sure that that is properly fixed. So go around, check all those faucets, make sure that they are working, and if they are leaking, contact somebody to help you fix that problem prior to listing. Number 3, make sure that your HVAC system is working properly. So check that you have cleaned around your AC system and also that you replace the filter. Number 4, test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and make sure that you replace dead batteries. Number 5, make sure that you repair or replace missing items like your door latches, your doorknobs, your screen, your downspout. Things that are little like this could make a big difference, especially in home inspection. Number 6, make sure that all your doors and your garage doors are working properly. So test them, make sure they're working, they are not broken, or they're not missing any hardware. And also check that your windows are not sticky. So, when you paint the house, when you paint the window accidentally, sometimes it gets sticky. So make sure that you address that before you go into the inspection. Number 7, recaulk around tubs, showers, countertops around kitchen and your washrooms. Doing these simple steps before a home inspection can make a great impression and is a good investment when you're selling your home. For more information, please feel free to contact us at Homes by Lei anytime about anything. We want to help you and your neighbors, the Toronto and the Greater Toronto area real estate market. We are expert at what we do. And remember, when it comes to buying or selling real estate, we at Homes by Lei will make your dreams come home. So make sure you tune in to our next videos in the series for more practical tips about buying or selling a home.